Taisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I actually wanted to do a ZARA basics try on haul, perfect for the upcoming spring, perfect for Valentine's Day. So I wanted to take it back to basics, back to, you know, everyday wear pieces that you can mix match. You know, you can wear them for date night, you can wear them for going to Walmart, going to Target, you know. So yeah, if you guys are interested in today's video, then keep on. So if you're new here, I do have my measurements in the description box below. I am trying to lose, you know, a little weight. So hopefully that changes throughout the months. So make sure you guys always check out the description box. There you can find my measurements. You can find the items that I mentioned in the video as well. And if I forget anything, just let me know because I'll be forgetting stuff. But yeah, girl, before I get into all the essential basic pieces you need in your wardrobe, I do want to say thank you to Puertorican for sponsoring today's video. I'm sure you guys have heard about them before. They are the #1 best-selling lip tint on Amazon for over a year now, so you know they did something good. So this product right here, it's the Ink Velvet in the shade 17 Rosy Nude, and I love that it now comes with this matching lip liner, so you can get them as a set. One thing about me, I need a lip liner, okay? I cannot do my lip combo without a lip liner, so I like to go in with my lip liner first. This lip liner, it's creamy, it's easy to blend out, and then I like to go in with the Ink Velvet lip tint. I like to dot it on my lips because it is pigmented, and then I like to blend it out with my finger. But the formula of this is creamy, it's lightweight, it lasts all day long or all night long. And I also like how you can wear this on your eyes, you can wear it on your cheeks. I'm actually wearing it right now as like a cream blush. So I love how you can wear one product in many different ways. So you can leave it, you know, matte, or you can add a gloss. You guys know I'm a gloss kind of girl, so right now I'm actually wearing their new Ink Lasting Lip Gloss. This is in the shade 02 Edge Nude. I love a good nude lip color, and this one right here, such a beautiful shade. So they also have 03, which is called Chilling Rosy, and 01, which is the clear gloss. I feel like we all need a good clear gloss, and I love these glosses because they're moisturizing, they're super glossy and shiny without being sticky. I hate sticky lip glosses. But yeah, girl, if you're looking for some everyday go-to comfortable lip products, I highly recommend Puertorican, and right now is a perfect time to try them out. They're currently having their Valentine's Day sale all the way to February 12th. I always have a hard time saying February, I don't know why, but yeah, I will have them linked below. They are on Amazon, so you know it will get to you fast. Try them out and let me know what you guys think. So let's get into the basic pieces you need in your wardrobe. So I'm going to begin with the basic essential t-shirt that we all have or we all need, you know. So I got this in a size medium for $10.90. I could have sworn they used to be like $7, but I still have mine that I got like 3 years ago, and I still wear it all the time. I love shirts like this because you can wear them super casual, you know. You can wear them for your family days, you can wear them for your going out days, you can wear them for work, you know. They're just super basic and good to have. I like this one because it is a little bit more like oversized. That's one thing about ZARA t-shirts, they do run a little bit more like oversized, but I love this because it is a little bit lower or higher on the front and then longer in the back. Okay, so let's get into how I'm styling all the basic pieces. So I'm starting off with the t-shirt. So this is in a size medium. It fits really good. I am gonna be wearing it with some black slit pants. I got this pants like 3 years ago from ZARA. I will have anything similar that I can find in the description box below. But yeah, you guys see how casual, how simple this outfit is. I did tuck in the shirt just to give me a little bit of shape, you know, just so it is a little bit like tighter. But you can wear this, you know, loosely. You can wear it with the coat, with the cardigan. I was thinking for spring it will look really good to wear it with this purse. So you guys see how it just adds a fun pop of color. So yeah, guys, this is the first outfit that I have for you guys, and this is what the shirt looks like up close. Medium, if you guys are my twins, I would say it fits perfect. That's the first thing I wanted to start off this video with, especially because I know not a lot of people like bodysuits, so you know we always need a good top. Let's get into this other one. It's not a bodysuit, it's just a simple tank top. Not tank top, I'll show you guys how it looks like, but I got this in a size large. It was $12.90. It's like a sleeveless shirt. I did get this in a size large because I wanted it to be just a little bit more oversized, and I love this taupe color. You guys will see all the pieces I'm gonna share with you guys today are super basic and neutral shades. Even though I know I'm wearing like this bright pink coat, I do feel like pieces like this, you know, you don't need to buy a lot of different times. You can just buy one good piece like this and then you can wear this with different shirts, you know what I mean? So yeah, this top, I love how stretchy it is. I love how comfortable it is. One thing I do have to say, I noticed about ZARA that sometimes they have like a white stain to it, so that's like one quality issue I do not like. I don't know if that has happened to you guys before, but that is something I noticed. It looks like I was wearing this shirt and brushed my teeth and got like a little bit of toothpaste, you know? But I still really like the style of this shirt. I love how it is business casual, so I can wear this to work, I can wear this outside of work, you know, you can wear this with a blazer, you can wear this with heels, with a good pair of black leggings with like a slit at the bottom. So I love pieces like this and you don't have to spend a lot of money. So I did try this time around to keep everything that I got under $50, which if you guys have shopped in ZARA before, you know that's like a little hard because ZARA be getting expensive and a lot of the pieces are like $70. So everything in this video will be under $50 and mostly all the shirts are like under 30. This is the perfect example of same pants, you know, I didn't change anything, same makeup, same hair. I just went ahead and added a new purse. This is from Etsy, by the way, and then a new top. So this top has lots of detailing. I also love how it's thicker here, so it kind of like covers a little bit, you know. But yeah, I love the style. It's not too long. I would say it goes below my belly button, so you can tuck it in. But I love how like business casual, you know, this top is. So that's what it looks like. And then with the bag and the pants. So now I want to talk to you guys about bodysuits. I am a bodysuit kind of girl. I love a good bodysuit. They're not uncomfortable for me. I feel like I already got used to it. If you're new into bodysuits, they might feel a little bit weird. But one thing I love about bodysuits is the way they just make me look more snatched, you know. I feel like they make you look really put together. This one is giving like Kim K vibes. I did get this in a size medium. It was $25.90. The color of it, you know, everything about this bodysuit is really nice. The material, it's nice, it's thick, it's like a cut-in stretchy rip material, so you can definitely go with your regular size when it comes to this because it is stretchy. But I love the detailing of this top. I feel like even with like the earrings that I'm wearing right now and this, it will look really good. You guys will probably see me wearing this very soon. But yeah, pieces like this, you can wear them with skirts, you can wear them with leather pants, you can wear them even if you're going out to like date night and stuff and you do not know what to wear. You can always throw on a good bodysuit, some earrings and heels, and you're good. And also very important, this bodysuit, you can open and close it. And for me, the cut-in material bodysuits, you can see them through close a little bit more. You guys know I'm gonna find a way to talk about jeans because I just love jeans. So I'm pairing this bodysuit with some jeans. These are actually from Shein. They're one of my favorite pair of pants that I have because they go all the way down. They're comfortable, they're not tight, you know. So I love wearing, you know, jeans like this that are a little bit more loose with the tight bodysuit. So let's talk about this bodysuit. This is what it looks like up close. It is really stretchy, and also the turtleneck here, it's comfortable. Like, it's not super hard to put on. You know, some of them are super tight and they will take like your whole eyebrow with you. And for me, I cannot afford that, okay? It takes me too long to draw them on. But anyways, guys, this is how I will style this outfit. You can wear it with heels, with some cute boots, you know, and wear it with a coat or cardigan and sneakers. Basically, it's up to you. This is why you need basics in your wardrobe, so you can wear them a million different ways. So I feel like in our closet, we all need, you know, black t-shirts, black tank top, black bodysuits. You can never go wrong with black. It's one of my favorite colors to wear when it comes to clothing. So I got this in a size medium for $27.90. I picked up the same material top last year and I loved it. This material is really good because it's stretchy. It's like a stretchy knit material. You guys see the quality is very good, and I also love the detailing it has right here. I'm pretty sure you guys cannot see it. You guys will see it on the try on haul part of this video, but I love the way it makes my waist look, especially with my faja underneath. you cannot even see it. It just looks good. I will also have linked below my faja that I wear all the time. I always get questions about it. I get it from Amazon in a size medium. Back to this bodysuit. I love the material. Black, you can never go wrong. You can wear this with so many different outfits. I always love to wear like an all black outfit and then throw on a cardigan or a jacket. You know, when I do not know what to wear, that always does the trick for me. That's like the one outfit I know it's gonna look good. It's an all black outfit. I know I'm not the only one. It always works. So if you do not know what to wear, just wear an all black outfit and throw on a different jacket every time and no one will ever know. Of course, there's many different ways you can wear a black bodysuit. I love this one because it's thicker here, so it covers my bra strap. I do wear a pretty thick bra. I'm wearing it with my Target leggings. This leggings snatch you up, and I love how they go all the way down. I'll link them below, but yeah, highly recommend them. And I just threw on a simple cardigan that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So this is a very casual, realistic, you know, everyday outfit. You can wear this with a crop jacket, with a coat. I feel like you can never go wrong, you know, with the black bodysuit. Okay, so the next pieces that I'm showing you guys are like my Skims dupes / alternatives. They're more like alternatives. I love Skims. I just do not like the price of them. Skims can be really expensive, and it can get really expensive like bien rápido. So I picked up a couple of pieces that kind of reminded me of them, and it's gonna give you like the look for less. So let's get into this basic essential shirt. I love how it's longer. Again, I can wear it with my leggings. I can wear it to work out. I can wear them for any occasion. I got this in a size medium for $17.90. This reminds me a lot of the outdoor collection. So I will describe this as a really nice cotton stretchy t-shirt. It's stretchy, it's nice and thick, it's comfortable, and I love this color as well. So again, you can wear this with so many different outfits, so many different occasions. This is definitely like family friendly since it goes all the way up. You know, if you have strict Hispanic parents, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I love this top, and it reminded me a lot of Skims, you know, and the vibe that it gives. It's not the same quality, but it gives you the look for it. Okay, so this outfit is super casual and very comfortable. So this is what the top looks like. It doesn't go all the way down, you know. It is a little bit, like, I would say it's regular length. If you wanted something a little bit longer, this one ain't for you, but it's definitely not a crop top, you know. And it's not tight, which I love. So this size works perfect for me. These sleeves are a little bit on the shorter side, but not tight. But yeah, that's what the shirt looks like. It's like the perfect gray color. Reminds me so much of Skims. Really good quality as well. So I'm pairing it with a pair of leggings that I have. I feel like it matches really well. And then I just threw on a cardigan just to be more, you know, comfy, and it just makes me feel a lot comfortable. Also, it is cold, you know, so this is perfect for me, at least where I live. I know it might be colder in other places, but yeah, but I feel like this with like a crossbody purse and then with some white sneakers will look really cute. So this is another top that reminds me of Skims. Got this in a size medium for $22.90. I will describe this. It reminds me so much of the Shein swimsuit material that I always talk about. It reminds me so much of that material. I feel like it's kind of like the same thing. This one might feel a little bit better, but it's still like that sheer, not double layer, you know, long sleeve shirt. So one way I like to style basic shirts like this are with leather pants. It always does like the trick for me. It looks very like chic, you know. It looks really good. I love wearing shirts like this with like more fancier pants. Okay, so before I tell you guys how I'm styling this outfit, do not say I didn't warn you to size up. Remember this, okay? If you guys see this shirt, remember to size up. It is very tight. I love the material. It reminds me so much of the Shein. You know these short sleeves? They're like exactly the same, just long sleeve version. Hopefully Shein comes through in the future. But anyways, guys, this is what it looks like. This is definitely a very me outfit. I'm wearing this jacket. You guys will see me, you know, talking about it later. It's like a bomber jacket. And then my Target leggings that I love. So yeah, this is how I'm styling this outfit. It can be casual, or you can also dress it up with some heels, and then depending the purse you're carrying. But the overall material is good. It is a little bit see-through, but not too see-through. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I did struggle a little bit to put it on, especially just these sleeves. The long sleeves are a little bit on the tighter side, but I love this outfit. I love the color. It's like the perfect neutral, you know, outfit. So another essential for me are a pair of joggers. I feel like we all need them, especially in like a gray heather color. This color is just one of my favorites. It looks good with pretty much everything. It's always my go-to every time I run errands. You know, when I go to Walmart or Target, this is like my go-to. So this is in a size large. It's $39.90. I love how they go all the way down. These are definitely more tapered. Hopefully they're still in stock because the quality reminds me a lot of the Alexander Wang joggers. The other ones feel a little bit more expensive, not gonna lie, but still it gives you the same look for less. So they also have pockets. They're really good. I love wearing joggers with so many different outfits. You can wear them with a coat, you can wear them with jackets, you can wear them with a t-shirt, you can wear them for any occasion except like really fancy ones you can. But I just love a good pair of joggers, and this one I like how they're thick and not too tight. I hate tight joggers. For me, my joggers have to be a little bit loose, but it still gives me a little shape. I just had to show you guys how I would style it with the cardigan that I've been wearing throughout the video and that you guys have been seeing. So this is what the joggers look like. They're super soft. This is in a size large, by the way, and I'm also wearing my Skims tank top with it. I love this look. I love gray. Gray is like my favorite color. I always tell you guys, but it truly is. And with pink, it just looks really pretty, very soft, you know, very casual, really pretty as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The pants do go all the way to the bottom. They could be a little bit longer, so if you're taller than me, I feel like this might look, you know, a little shorter on you. Definitely not tall girl friendly, but I love how soft and how they have pockets. The quality is really good. But yeah, girl, this is the outfit. Casual, you know, everyday wear kind of outfit, especially with some sneakers. It will look really cute. I got it for $49.90 in a size small. ZARA jackets in general do run pretty big in my opinion, so I always do try to get them in a size small, and they fit me, so you know they run big. So yeah, this is like a jacket slash bomber jacket at the same time. The material reminds me of like joggers. It does come with this matching joggers, but they were out of my size. I'm so mad, but I just love a good matching set. That's another way to trick people into thinking you have your life together. Matching sets are the way to go. So yeah, love this material, love the color of it. It's like an off-white color, right? It's like a cream shade. It looks really good. Again, this is a really good alternative for the Alexander Wang crop jacket that I saw it when I was like fake online shopping. I was like going through stores, adding things to my cart, and then never, you know, checking out. But still, I saw a very similar one, so when I saw this from ZARA, I just needed it. But yeah, girl, if you can get the whole matching set, definitely do so, because matching sets are perfect, again, for brunch, for dinner. They just make you look put together, and you can always just change up your accessories with it. So this jacket is super casual. I feel like the matching set with it will look really good. So this jacket, the best way to explain it, it's a regular jacket, like the material, but the way they like made it, or the way they designed it, makes it look a lot fancier. So this is what it looks like up close. I'm wearing it with a Skims tank top and then the black pants that I've been wearing throughout the video. So this is what it looks like from the back. You guys see how you can wear this casually with sneakers or with heels. It's like the perfect jacket. So yeah, this is the outfit, and then the back. So these are basically all the pieces that I feel like you need for your spring 2023 wardrobe. You guys know I love basics, so I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I will have all the videos, I will have all the items that I mentioned linked below, so we can be twinning. And also do not forget to shop Perry Para's Valentine's Day sale that is currently going on all the way to February 12th. So yeah, guys, thank you for your time. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.